From raw materials, the journey begins. Massive deliveries of copper, steel, and aluminum arrive, fueling the production lines within. Automated giants handle the heaviest loads, moving raw steel with balletic precision, preparing it for the transformative journey ahead. Quality is paramount. Every inch of raw material undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the finest elements contribute to your comfort.
A symphony of logistics, where every component finds its place. Our automated warehouses ensure seamless flow and immediate availability for production.
The very essence of strength, molten metals are forged in intense heat, shaping the foundational components of every AC unit. From the furnace, components emerge, cooled and precisely handled by automated systems, ready for the next stage of transformation. Before a single component is manufactured, our engineers meticulously design every detail, leveraging holographic technology for ultimate precision. Precision beyond human capability. Lasers carve intricate designs into robust steel, forming the durable exteriors of our advanced AC units. With immense force, powerful presses shape raw metal into crucial components, each strike a testament to engineering and strength. Intricate metal components are precisely bent and shaped by automated machines, ensuring every angle and curve meets exact specifications. Fiery precision. Robotic welders fuse metal with incredible accuracy, forming the robust skeleton of every American AC unit.
Miles of copper tubing, precisely straightened and cut, form the intricate pathways for refrigerant, a vital component for efficient cooling.
With unparalleled precision, copper tubing is meticulously bent into intricate coils, maximizing surface area for optimal heat exchange and efficiency. A protective coating, meticulously applied, shields the coils from corrosion and wear, ensuring years of reliable, efficient performance. The heart of the AC unit takes shape. Skilled hands and precise tools assemble powerful compressors, the core of your cooling system. The intricate nervous system of the AC unit. Wiring harnesses are meticulously connected, powering the compressor with unwavering reliability. The fan motor, carefully integrated, promises silent yet powerful airflow, circulating comfort throughout your home or office. Through intense heat, the protective coating solidifies, creating a resilient shield that ensures your AC unit withstands the harshest conditions.
A flawless, durable finish is meticulously applied by robotic systems, protecting your AC unit from the elements while maintaining its aesthetic appeal.
Microscopic precision. Skilled artisans meticulously solder microchips, creating the intelligent control systems that manage your comfort.
Every control panel undergoes rigorous automated testing, ensuring flawless communication and intelligent management of your AC unit's functions. The grand assembly begins. All meticulously crafted components converge, forming the complete power.
The powerful compressor is meticulously secured, becoming the beating heart of the AC unit, ready to deliver consistent, refreshing airflow.
A perfect vacuum is created, eliminating every trace of moisture. This critical step ensures the
Every unit undergoes advanced leak detection, ensuring a perfectly sealed refrigerant system, vital for environmental protection and longevity. The final touch. Our brand decal, a symbol of quality and American craftsmanship, is meticulously applied, signifying excellence. From raw material to finished masterpiece, each AC unit now moves towards its final stage, meticulous packaging and preparation for delivery. Automated precision ensures every unit is securely wrapped and cushioned, ready to withstand the journey to your home unscathed. Critical environments demand unwavering precision. Our industrial AC units safeguard vital data centers, ensuring optimal performance and protection.
Clean air is paramount. Regular filter replacement ensures optimal air quality, protecting health and enhancing the efficiency of your system.
These visualizations clearly show a 25% improvement in efficiency, translating directly to significant energy savings for the building. Powerful industrial fans, meticulously balanced, generate the essential airflow, circulating comfort and freshness through every space.
Sound dampening insulation is meticulously installed, ensuring whisper-quiet operation, a hallmark of our premium American AC units.
Robust metal casings, precisely manufactured, move along the line, ready to house the powerful fan assemblies that drive our AC units. Every fan assembly undergoes dynamic balancing, eliminating vibrations and ensuring smooth, efficient airflow for years of silent comfort.
From scorching heat to freezing cold, our AC units endure extreme thermal shock, guaranteeing unwavering performance in any climate.
Data-driven excellence. Every thermal response is meticulously analyzed, ensuring our units maintain peak performance under the most extreme conditions. Uncompromising durability. Our materials endure relentless salt spray tests, proving superior
Years of relentless operations simulated in weeks. Our endurance testing guarantees
As you can see here, the fatigue on the compressor housing peaks right at the 5,000-hour mark.
Right. Yeah.
If we reinforce this joint, we could extend the lifespan significantly.
Every surface, every detail, meticulously polished. Our commitment to aesthetic perfection ensures your AC unit is as beautiful as it is efficient. The ultimate scrutiny. Every AC unit undergoes a final, meticulous visual inspection, guaranteeing flawless presentation and performance. Beyond inspection, we analyze every detail. Continuous improvement strategies ensure our quality standards. Custom-fitted foam cradles each unit, providing unparalleled protection during transit. Your AC unit arrives in pristine condition, guaranteed.
Efficiently loaded and secured, our packaged AC units embark on their journey, transported with care to distribution centers nationwide.
The unboxing experience begins. With utmost care, protective packaging is removed, revealing the
Every unit receives a final polish, ensuring its pristine elegance for the showroom, a testament to our commitment to perfection.
With precision and purpose, the journey begins. Your American AC unit is now en route, bringing superior comfort closer to you.
A masterpiece of engineering and design. Our AC units are presented as works of art, inviting you to experience superior comfort. Explore our smart features. Interactive displays bring our advanced technology to life, demonstrating effortless control and innovative energy savings. A handshake sealing a promise. Our commitment to customer satisfaction ensures a seamless purchase and lasting peace of mind.
The final journey to your home. Our professional team ensures swift and careful delivery, bringing your comfort directly to your doorstep. The meticulous unboxing, right at your home. Our installers ensure your AC unit is revealed in perfect condition, ready for seamless integration.
Our experts provide personalized guidance, explaining every feature of your new AC unit, ensuring you fully understand its powerful capabilities. With expert precision, your AC unit is seamlessly integrated into your home's exterior, a perfect blend of performance and aesthetic harmony.
Electrical connections are secured with unwavering precision, ensuring optimal safety and reliable power delivery for your new AC system. The moment of activation. With a quiet hum, your new American AC unit springs to life, bringing instant, refreshing comfort to your home.
You'll see the current temperature right here.
Yes,
Use the remote to adjust it up or down.
like this?
Perfect.
Experience unparalleled comfort. Our AC units transform your home into a sanctuary, ensuring perfect temperatures for relaxation and family time. Witness the power of cooling. A single drop of condensation, a testament to the efficient, refreshing comfort our units provide.